Assalamu alaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel MD Paradise. Today I am making beautiful neckline design. Before we start the video, subscribe my channel, like and share my video. I made this design in two different fabrics. Watch my full video start to end. Hurry up, add this new design of neckline in your wardrobe. Let's toward the video tutorial. I have pasting paper. We will mark the neckline design on it. Mark the neckline width, which is 3 inch, and mark the neck depth 4 inch, and make the rectangle. Now make the round shape. Mark 0.9 inch. All around it and line up. Now we will mark 2 inch for designing and mark the neck depth, which is 6 inch plus 7 inch, and mark the shape of neckline. Mark 0.9 inch all around it and line up. Now we will cut in these lines. Now we will make the straight strip. I have fabric with pasting paper and mark 1 inch and make straight lines. Cut these lines. Now we will make strips. Fold one side and second side and fold like that and stitch in this area. Now we take the pasting design and set in the paper, and the back side we set the carbon paper and trace the outline of the pattern. Take strips we made and cut. You can use glue. Now place the pattern and trace the shape. Now, how to make and stitch round neckline. Take two layers of fabric and iron the round neckline. Cut fabric and leave extra for stitching allowance. One layer of fabric we will stitch in the pasting paper. Iron it and give the right shape. Second layer of fabric we will iron for accurate shape. After preparing this design, we take the design between the layers of two fabric. Set accurately and stitch it. Now we will cut the extra thing. Leave little seam allowance on it. Like my video and share my video and subscribe my channel. Now take the front part of shirt. We have pasting paper design. Paste on fabric. Place it like that. For accurate shape and iron it. We will stitch hem allowance along with the pasting paper. Place on the front part of shirt and stitch all around the pasting paper. Stitch it and give the right shape. We will cut the extra fabric and give the notches. Turn it and iron it. Give the right shape. Now place the design we have already made. And set it accurately and stitch it. Thanks for watching.